What's the meaning of boohoo? Boohoo. Boohoo.
Boohoo. Boohoo. Boohoo is an onomatopoeic word that represents the sound of crying or wailing. It is often used to describe someone or something that is excessively emotional or melodramatic, particularly in a way that may be perceived as insincere or attention-seeking. The term boohoo is also used as an interjection to express sympathy or mockery towards someone who is complaining or crying about a trivial matter. In summary, boohoo refers to crying or complaining in a dramatic or over-the-top manner.